Imagine a world where trucks drive themselves and drones deliver packages to your doorstep within minutes. Welcome to 2025, where AI-driven transport and logistics are not just concepts, they're our reality. Autonomous vehicles, or AVs, have revolutionized the logistics industry. Companies like Einrida, a Swedish driverless truck startup, are leading the charge. Recently, Einrida announced plans for a US IPO, aiming for a valuation exceeding $5 billion. Their operations have expanded globally, including significant projects in the UAE. These self-driving trucks offer numerous benefits: efficiency, operating 24/7 without fatigue, reducing delivery times; safety, minimizing human error, leading to fewer accidents; cost-effectiveness, lowering labor and operational costs. Major logistics companies are integrating AVs into their fleets, optimizing long-haul freight operations and reshaping supply chains. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, have taken last-mile delivery to new heights. In regions like Southeast Queensland, Australia, companies such as Wing have successfully implemented autonomous drone deliveries, making the area a hub for air delivery services. Advantages of drone deliveries include speed, bypassing traffic and ensuring rapid delivery; cost savings, reducing the need for traditional delivery vehicles and personnel; and environmental impact, lowering carbon emissions compared to conventional methods. These UAVs are particularly effective for delivering small, time-sensitive items in urban environments, enhancing customer satisfaction. At the core of these innovations is artificial intelligence. AI enables vehicles and drones to navigate complex environments by interpreting data from sensors to make real-time decisions. It optimizes routes using machine learning to find the most efficient paths, reducing delivery times and fuel consumption, and it enhances safety by predicting and responding to potential hazards faster than human drivers. AI-driven autonomous logistics systems are set to revolutionize supply chains by enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving overall reliability. Despite the advancements, several challenges remain. Regulatory hurdles are present as governments worldwide work to establish frameworks to ensure the safe integration of autonomous vehicles and drones into existing transportation systems. Public acceptance is another issue. Building trust in autonomous technology is crucial for widespread adoption. And of course, cybersecurity is paramount. Protecting these systems from potential cyber threats is essential to maintain safety and reliability. Addressing these challenges requires collaboration among policymakers, industry leaders, and communities to fully realize the potential of autonomous transport. Looking forward, the landscape of autonomous logistics is set to evolve further. China plans to introduce 100,000 flying cars within the next 6 years, serving as air taxis, delivery vans, and personal vehicles, potentially transforming urban mobility. Autonomous vehicles and drones will seamlessly connect with smart city infrastructures, enhancing traffic management and delivery efficiency. The synergy between drones and ground autonomous vehicles will create more flexible and responsive delivery networks, catering to dynamic consumer demand. These developments promise a future where AI-driven transport and logistics are integral to our daily lives, offering unprecedented convenience and efficiency. The era of autonomous transport is here, reshaping how we move goods and ourselves. What excites you most about this AI-driven revolution? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more insights into the future of technology and logistics, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.